Peanut butter and jelly smoothies are on the menu today. These are so delicious. Let me show you how I made it. If you love smoothies, you're gonna love this one. It's a peanut butter and jelly smoothie. We'll start with some fresh fruit. These are strawberries that have already been washed, and do you know you don't have to take the tops off? So if you would be willing to put spinach in your smoothie, just leave those greens on top of your strawberries. You'll get the nutrition and you've saved a step. We also need frozen blueberries. Now I have aronia berries. Have you heard of those before? They look a lot like blueberries, but they are even healthier. It's kind of a power food, and my friend grows them, so I buy them from her by the bag full, but you can absolutely use frozen blueberries or even blackberries for this. Think typical peanut butter and jelly ingredients. I have my homemade peanut butter that I also make in the deluxe cooking blender. We need about a tablespoon. This is a generous tablespoon. Put that in there. If you want to, you could even use some PB2 if you want to cut the fat a little bit. What I love about this particular combination, I did the math. It's 37 grams of protein. That's a powerhouse. We'll add some ice. I'm using soy milk today. So if you're using non-dairy milks and you want the boost of protein, soy milk is one of the better choices. You'll also add a scoop of protein powder. This is optional, but this is where you get a lot. This one scoop has 24 grams of protein. The recipe calls for unflavored. I always have chocolate, so that's what I'm using today. And that's it. When you use our deluxe cooking blender, you're gonna love the presets. So what are presets? They are settings that are already programmed. I'm gonna use smoothie today. You can make alternative milk, so you can make your own oat milk, almond milk, rice milk. Grind is what I use for making the peanut butter. It's got a heated wash, so add 3 cups of water and a drop of dish detergent to the blender. When you have heated wash, it washes itself. And then you can make soups and purees, jam, and sauce on this side. So I'm gonna turn the dial to smoothie, push the button, and we'll let it do its work. It's all done, and isn't it beautiful? Now, I will tell you, aronia berries are very powerful in their color, so that's why you get this gorgeous purple blue color here. The deluxe cooking blender gives you super smooth smoothies. You can even add a handful of spinach or kale to this if you want to. But I think you all need to try this peanut butter and jelly smoothie. 37 grams of protein. Oh my gosh, I love this, and I know you will too.